Hello. So let's say you are testing a website and you have to validate that all the links are working on this. So I have opened this site, right, flipkart.com, which has so many links, right? All of these are linked. We don't know whether all of them are working fine or not working fine, right? If I come down, you will see there are a hell lot of links on this page. Right, let me go to the bottom of this site and you will see that at the bottom so many links are there. So how can I test? One thing is like if you are doing automation, then you can get the link of that page and call it, right. But not all the time you have automation available, right? Or maybe you are doing a hackathon, then this can come very handy. So what you have to do is install this link from Selectors Hub. It is free of cost, right? This is the link which I have already installed. That's why on my screen you see this remove from Chrome option is coming, right? This one. So because I have already installed it, right? So once you install it, then it will appear here, right? You can just click here so that it appears here. Now after opening the site, we'll just click on this check my link. So now if you see there are total 536 links, right? How difficult it would be to check all of them. And what it is doing is it is checking all of them, whether they are working or not working. And the good part is that these links it is checking by setting a timer kind of, right? Every few seconds it is trying, because what happens is sometimes sites have lazy loading. Some of the links will take some time, so that portion we can adjust from here, edit range option, where you can set it out. And if you don't want to maybe run certain links, let's say they get called in the actual environment and you don't want to check, maybe they are broken in your local dev test environment, so you can add all of this, and there are certain exceptions and things that can be configured, right? So, and we can select the color. So if you see that gray color are the valid links, if you see there is a gray color around all of this because I have set that color. If you don't want to see the color, you can just check this box out. And if you see there are invalid links as well that have been caught. So either I can click on this download button. Then what will happen is I think it will download a CSV file which will have all of this, right? It is downloading a CSV file. Alternatively, I can just click on this view all and I can see all the links here. Now there are 500 plus links. That's why below you will see here, right, that it is showing so many pages. But what we can do is instead of that, probably we can uh, apply this filter here of show all, right? And I can maybe put 300. So these are the redirection link, right? 300 status code stands for when you are redirecting it to some other place. But I'm interested more in 404, right? So if you see there is a 404, I can copy URL and I can probably paste it to check it out. So if you see it is a broken link, like on the live website of Flipkart, we have a broken link. And so in this report, there are other things as well, like this 500, right? This should not come at all. So I can click on this view button and it will open it. So if you see that another broken link is there on the Flipkart live website, right? So you can find this helpful during hackathons or while doing a quick test for your site if you want to know, right? So overall, it has given this, and I can click on export all, and I can share this CSV with the dev team as well. Right, or I can simply raise a bug. Let me show you how this CSV comes. So mostly the data would look like this only, right? We saw here this report, and here also an option comes of CSV, right? So you can download the invalid links as well, or the valid links also if you want to see. Let me open that Excel for you. Right, so if you see, this is the CSV link that got open, and we have all the links here. I can probably apply a filter over here. Right, let's not see the 200 ones. Let's see only this one. Right, so we have few where zero also came. I don't know why zero came. I might raise a bug for this. Right, why zero came, but we have, and also there is an option where you can change this, right, to recall it, right? For example, let's say the first time this was not loaded, so you can click on recheck. So what will happen is it will again make a call and to validate that whether it is able to do it or not. So there is an option fetch all, like even if we want to try, we can try all the urls as well, right? So hope you like it. And there are some this color feature, you can change the color if you want by clicking on this button. Instead of this, if you want a yellow color, you can change all of this, right? We can refresh this. And there is a tutorial from the Sanjay as well where he has shared, and if you need any help you can click on this. Right here is the setting which I was already showing you. So it's a helpful link product extension, right, where simply just clicking on it, it does everything and it tells all the links, right? So hope you will find it useful, and I keep on sharing such things. Thank you so much for watching.